People have been interested in observing and learning about the moon for a long time. Here are some of the most fascinating facts about the moon that we have discovered. 21. The Earth is the first planet from the Sun which has a moon, and the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. 20. The moon may appear round when looking at it from Earth, but it is actually closer to the shape of an egg. 19. By using lunar rocks to measure age, the moon has been determined to be close to the same age as the Earth, close to 4.6 billion years old. 18. Only one side of the moon ever faces the Earth due to its synchronous rotation, which is far slower than the Earth, about 10 miles per hour compared to the Earth's 1,000 miles per hour. 17. The moon is very slowly moving away from the Earth. Every year it moves about 3.8 centimeters further away. 16. Both sides of the moon are exposed to the sun's light, which makes the term the dark side of the moon very misleading. 15. Cell phones today have more processing power than the computers that were used to get man to the moon in 1969. 14. Astronauts first visited the moon during the Apollo 11 mission of 1969 and last visited during the Apollo 17 mission in 1972. During those years, only 12 people ever set foot on the moon, and they were all American males. So far, no human has been to the far side of the moon. 13. It is believed that the gravitational pull of the Earth causes the moon to experience moonquakes. These quakes peak in intensity about every 14 days when the moon is closest to and furthest away from the Earth. 12. The moon experiences temperature swings of around 260 degrees Celsius. During the day, the average temperature is close to 107 degrees, but at night it can drop to negative 153 Celsius. 11. While nowhere near as large as some of Jupiter and Saturn's moons, the moon of Earth is still the 5th largest natural satellite in our solar system. 10. The moon does not have a magnetic field, so a compass will not work on its surface. 9. Astronauts have reported that moon dust smells like gunpowder. 8. One full day of the moon, from sunrise to the following sunrise, takes about 29 days on Earth. 7. One full moon will not always be the same size as the next. The size of a full moon will change depending on the moon's distance from the Earth. 6. Around 3 days before a full moon, when the moon appears to be around 95% full, the brightness it exudes is roughly half that as when it is actually a full moon. 5. The moon is calculated to have over 300,000 craters on its surface. 2 of these craters are among the largest in our entire solar system, with diameters over 2,500 kilometers each. Since the moon does not have an atmosphere or experience weather, these craters will not erode with time. 4. There are no mountains on the moon because no continental drift occurs. All of the varying landscape heights have been caused by bombardment from comets, asteroids, and other spatial phenomenon. 3. Astronaut Alan Shepard from Apollo 14 mission took 2 golf balls with him to the moon. They are still up there today, resting where he hit them. Other items that have been left behind on the moon include a camera, human waste, mirrors, commemorative plaques, and flags. 2. Famous astronomer and geologist Eugene Shoemaker was unable to become an astronaut due to a medical condition. When he died, NASA fulfilled his dream of going to the moon by taking his ashes and distributing them there in 1998. 1. Due to no atmosphere on the moon, the shadows are far darker than on Earth, and the moon does not experience twilight before nightfall. Anything the sun is not directly shining on will be completely black. The shadows are so dark that astronauts had difficulty making repairs or doing work if their hands were in the shadows because they could not see. Hopefully you found these facts to be out of this world. Thanks for watching.